to all our viewers who are watching us on Money Control. I am Ridhima Bhatnagar. And Ideas for Profit today will help you choose the better life insurance, whether it is SBI Life or ICICI Prudential or HDFC Life. Which life insurance stock should investors be betting on? Now, threadbare analysis of the three listed life insurance, listed private insurances, remember, have gained significant edge over LIC in the past few years. Now, given the strong solvency ratios, fall in numbers of COVID-19 related claims and foreign players waiting to pick up stakes, the sector is poised to undergo a complete re-rating, besides promoters getting an opportunity to unlock the value of their investments. Not just in the last couple of years, the industry is focused more on pure protection products, which is term insurance that provides cover against mortality risk, and annuity saving segment, which ensures against morbidity risk. Now, margins are relatively high in protection businesses, and the segment also offers enormous growth potential. The COVID-19 pandemic has in fact increased mortality risk, which will lead to an increase in the demand for protection products that would benefit the life insurance industry. Now, the three listed life insurances are ICICI Prudential, HDFC Life, SBI Life, with LIC slated to make its debut in the next financial year. The value of new businesses is what? Now, the most appropriate yardstick to analyze the performance of life insurance companies is the value of new businesses, VNB, which is the present value of expected future earnings from new policies written during specified period. Now, around 65 to 75% of that value of the Indian life insurance companies comes from VNB, and hence it remains the most important metric. So let's compare it in terms of VNB. ICICI Prudential has gained from protection segment, while HDFC Life has clearly maintained balance between protection as well as annuity business. So how were the three listed private insurance currently faring? Now, private life insurers have seen an acceleration in profitability metrics, such as improvement in new business margins, which have been driven by higher protection businesses, lower expenses, and even better persistency. Now, despite a slight moderation, you have HDFC Life reinforcing its position as the margin leader of the industry, with a new business margin of 25.6% in FY21, aided by a rise in annuities businesses and even cost control. Even as ICICI Prudential has lagged private peers on premium growth in past couple of years, it has done exceedingly well on the margin front. Now, its VNB margins have significantly expanded, driven by shifting business mix to traditional savings and protection businesses. All the three listed life insurers have a solvency ratio above 200%. Apart from solvency, product mix is also an important driver, the margins and the profitability of the insurer. HDFC Life has the most balanced product mix among the three listed life insurance. While HDFC's life growth and protection business moderated in Q3 of FY21, there has been a rise in annuity businesses. ICICI Prudential historically focused on savings-linked businesses. It pushed higher ticket size in the unit-linked investment plans to tap into the investment wallet of affluent customers. But with volatility in capital markets, the overall demand for these products has now reduced over the years, leading to a slowdown in this segment. Accordingly, ICICI Prudential has been wanting to increase the share of protection businesses in terms of the pure term insurance in its product mix, as it is relatively a high margin business compared to the ULIPs. Now, SBI Life has also showed strong trends in production and non-participating segment, along with improving its sales. While all the three insurers has controlled costs, SBI Life has the lowest cost structure compared to peers, with total cost ratio at 8.5% of the gross written premium in FY21. The relative ranking of life insurers, HDFC Life ranks at the top in relative benchmarks with its balanced product mix compared to peers and lead in investing the future. Now, the VNB margins and the return on embedded value at HDFC Life are the highest in this sector. HDFC Life is trading at over 5.5 times its trailing, which is the price to embedded value, a significant premium to ICICI Prudential and even SBI Life. Now, given the fact that HDFC Life's best-in-class return ratios and profitability levers, the premium valuation will be sustained. While the stock is a long-term compounder, the rich valuation limits significant stock price upside in the near term. SBI Life, on the other hand, stacks up after HDFC Life on relative ranking. SBI is also well positioned for the growth in the insurance space, given the best-in-class distribution network of its parent SBI, lowest cost ratios, and even improving product mix. Let's talk about ICICI, where the Prudential stock is currently trading at 2.7 times, trailing the PEV, which is price to embedded book, a significant discount to HDFC's Life, which is trading at 5.8 times. Now, with improving businesses mix, the gap is expected to further narrow down in medium to long term, offering an upside to the current stock price. Overall, the insurance sector growth would remain positive and investors should participate in the insurance growth story.